guys, I didn't think I was gonna vlog today, but you know what, why not? Just got out of my first class. I'm heading to Road right now, which is the art center. It's pretty nice. I like going to this building, but it's on the edge of campus, so yeah. I also did a shoot today already, today at like 9 a.m. It is 12 right now. Haven't really eaten anything. Haven't really, I don't know, taken care of myself. Today is a crazy day. I have 7 hours of classes and then I have like 6 events to go to. I'm not going to all of them. And I have a restaurant tonight at like 12 a.m. So we'll see how that goes. So I just got out of my like 3rd class I think of the day. And I have 3 more discussions to go to today. I'm gonna go shop at the UCLA store. And I already got some food, but I'm gonna actually eat it since I was in discussion the whole day. And yeah, get some binders, get some paper. Alright guys, so I finally got out of my class today. It's been a really long day of class, and now I'm trying to Uber back to my apartment. I need to pick up some stuff for Skylar. He is not in town right now, so I need to go pick up some stuff for him and meet him at the event. I also don't know what to wear to the DoorDash event that I'm going to. Right now we are waiting on Rodeo to go home. We are in between UCLA and the Grove, which is where I live. It's like 5 miles away and it's going to take me 40 minutes to get home, so this is what I do. I kind of sit in my Uber and I just work and alright, we made it to our second event of the night. Homecoming. Riley Rose Homecoming.
I was so tired that this end vlog coming home was basically unintelligible. Had an amazing day overall. Stay tuned for the next adventure and thanks for watching.